am not here to speak. I am here to speak for someone who cannot speak, the trees. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. What if trees could speak? They would not shout, they would not complain, they would just ask one question. Why are you cutting us when we are saving you? Forests are not just trees, they are life. They give us the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat. This oxygen, we did not make it. Trees did. In forests, animals are not wild. They are at their home. But when we cut trees, we just don't cut wood. We destroy homes and lives. Every second, forests are disappearing. And if trees disappear, this might be a last generation that can breathe freely. Here is something amazing. Trees can feel, help others, and protect their family through roots. They stand together while we break them apart. Some forests, like the Amazon rainforest, are called the lungs of Earth. But today, those lungs are becoming weak. And if Earth cannot breathe, how will we? So today, I make a promise. I'll plant trees, I'll protect nature, I'll speak for forests, because trees cannot come to us, but we can go to them. When the last tree is cut, the last drop of water dries, and the last animal is gone, we will realize money cannot be eaten. Thank you.